Welcome to this, my rich land of La Vera. You are, in this town, the pure Vera Pasarón, to know more about the local cuisine. Yes? Yes?
Yes.
You are in the best place. I like to eat well
A lot.
and drink
Very much.
very well.
Too much.
And I am much demanding with my cooks. Consequently, my cooks now make the best delicacies. Here, you will know much more about the cuisine that triumphs in Europe. Cooks for today, I want select the best. Only the best. Well, enjoy. Eat well. Drink well.
Not very much.
But learn more. Learn more. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Well. Now, I leave you with an expert, very expert in our kitchen, the Comtesse Nicolette.